Inside of Pebble, you are able to tag your properties. To tag your properties, simply head into a property, then mouse over the tag icon. From here, you're going to be able to select your existing tags. Here you can see I've added tag 1. Now if you wanted to add another tag, you can simply type in this field here and hit enter to create that second tag. In order to edit the tag, go ahead and hit the little edit icon beside it, and you can change the name and the color and go ahead and hit save. Now there are many ways you can use this property tagging function. Some good examples of using tags are for marking properties to not mail, or if it were a bad address, or for marking a property for remailing if you wanted to skip trace, perhaps something to do with the property itself like no access, or the property type like it's an infill lot, a rural piece of land, perhaps it's part of a subdivision or it's been assigned. The tag system gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to categorize your properties. One more thing to keep in mind is under our properties here, when you see your master list of properties, you are also able to filter by your tags. Simply hit filter and choose the tag. As of this recording's date, we currently only have basic filtering set up for tags. It is on our roadmap to add advanced tag filters, and that's how you tag properties inside of REI Pebble.